You have a great idea, but the moment you hit record, everything falls apart. Your lighting is bad, your voice is quiet, and your final video feel amateur. As a video editor, I see new creator making the same three mistake every day. This video is not about expensive gear, it's about professional workflow. I am giving you the content creator's checklist, the exact 3 pages you need to nail every time you make a talking head or tutorial video. So you can stop wasting time and start making video that actually gets view. Part 1. Pre-production and filming. Setup is 80% of the work. The biggest mistake is thinking you can fix everything in editing, but you can't. If your source materials is poor, your final video will be poor. Focus on these 3 steps before you even press record. Number 1. Sound first. Viewers will tolerate your bad video quality, but they will not tolerate bad audio. If you have a budget for on things, make it a decent microphone. Even a simple lavalier microphone is better than your camera internal microphone. Record a 10-second test clip. Play it back with your eyes closed. If you cannot hear every word clearly, fix the sound before continuing. Focus 2. The 3-point lighting principle. You don't need fancy light. You just need to know the goal. Shadow are distracting. This is your main light. It should your main light. It's brightest light. It's slightly onside on your face. Looks like a softer light. This is our softer light. Dimmer light on the opposite side to soften the shadow created by the key light. A subtle light point at the wall behind you. This is separate you from the background and instantly add depth and feel professional. Number 3. Filming the right expectations. If your primary focus in TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Shorts, filming vertically. Or if your primary goal is YouTube, filming by horizontally, it's 16 to 9 aspect ratio. Congratulations, you have recorded a great footage. Now move to clean and professional editing. Your video's success decides in first 15 seconds. Editors calls its hook. Take the most exciting, valuable or surprising moment from your video and put it right at the beginning. Use fast cut, dramatic music, or a question to grab attention. Never start your video with long and solo introduction like, "Hi, I am a Palash Khan, I am a video editor, I have main." Editing check 2. Pacing and B-roll. No one wants to watch you talk for 10 minutes straight. Add B-roll every time when you mention a key topic, product or a specific something. Use a consistent font or color to across your all video to build your personal brand. The thumbnail and title. Remember, your video is competing thousands of others. So thumbnails and titles is most important for you. As an editor, create a thumbnails that is high contrast, easy to read even when small. Emotional, show a face with an expression. Use 3 to 6 powerful words on thumbnail to completing the title. So if you are a new content creator, I think this video is very helpful for you. If you want to similar video like this, obviously comment here. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.